Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today let us learn equivalent ratios in class 7th. Equivalent ratios. Ratios which are equal to each other. यानी जो रेशो आपस में बराबर होते हैं हम इनको equivalent ratio कहते हैं. Let us take an example here. Are the ratios 1:2 and 2:3 equivalent? ये जानने के लिए क्या ये दो रेशो इक्विवेलेंट है? Let us compare these two ratios. We write this ratio 1:2 in the form of fraction 1/2 and this ratio 2:3 in the form of fraction 2/3. Then we convert this. We put these fractions, we make them like fractions. 1/2, we multiply this numerator and denominator by the denominator of this fraction, that is 3, like this, and we get 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. इसी तरह we write here, we multiply this numerator and denominator by the denominator of this fraction, that is 2, and we get 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Now see here, this fraction 3/6 and 4/6, these are like fractions. See here, 3/6 and 4/6 are like fractions. Now compare these like fractions, 3/6 and 4/6. We find that 3/6 is less than 4/6, which means 1/2 is less than 2/3. That is, two like fractions 3/6 and 4/6 are not equal. इसका मतलब ये है जो ये फ्रैक्शन लाइक फ्रैक्शन 3/6 and 4/6 are not equal. Therefore, ratio 1:2, 1:2 is not equivalent to 2:3. अब यहाँ हम ये समझ गए रेशो 1:2 and 2:3 is not equivalent. यहाँ जो ये लाइक फ्रैक्शन है 3/6 और 4/6, अगर ये इक्वल होते तो उस वक्त हम ये कहते these ratios are equal.